How to clean up your Gmail inbox fast. Firstly, go to mail.google.com. Make sure you are signed in or logged in to your account. At the top section, you will see different parts, for example, primary, promotion, social, and updates. And on the left side also, you will see different emails such as drafts, purchases, spam, and many more. If you want to clean your Gmail entirely, then you need to delete emails from all these sections. Firstly, go to primary section and at the top left, click on the square icon. You can also filter your selections from there. Now you can just delete it like this. But if you read at the top, it says all 50 communications on this page are selected. So not all emails are selected, just 50 are selected. You can click on select all to select all the emails. If you want to clear your selection, click on clear selection. And if you want to delete all the mail, then click on the delete icon at the top panel. Then it will ask you if you want to confirm the deletion. Click on OK to delete everything. Now follow the same process on each section. That's all for today. Thank you.